Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to open Lloyds Bank account online in UK. Start by opening the Lloyds Bank app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the process runs smoothly. Once the app is open, look for the option that says Open a bank account with us and tap on it. On the next screen, tap Next and carefully read the terms and conditions. After reviewing them, agree and continue. You will then be asked if you are new to Lloyds or an existing customer. Select the option that applies to you. Next, the app will ask what it can help you with today. Choose the type of account you want, such as a current account or a savings account. After that, select the specific type of account you are looking for, like an adult account, student account, or joint account. You will then be asked how you plan to use your account. Choose the most suitable option. After this, the identity verification process begins. If you have a passport, you can take a photo and upload it. If not, you will need to enter your personal details manually. Enter your first and last name, date of birth, gender, and title. Then select your country and nationality. Provide your UK mobile number and email address. Next, enter your address or postcode and the date you moved to the UK. Continue by describing your living situation and marital status. Then provide financial details, including your employment status, type of work, employer name, start date, income after deductions and savings. Select your tax residency country and complete any remaining questions. Finally, choose your account type such as Lloyds Platinum or Silver and answer any insurance-related questions. Submit your application. Lloyds will review it and notify you by email or text once approved. Thanks for watching.